Darren McDonald for Total Trainer, and today I'm going to show you how to make some high protein and low carb drinks that are both tasty and great for you. You're going to notice here that we have some freshly brewed coffee because we're going to make a high protein latte. We're going to take, you can use any type of coffee, even your own favorite brand. In here we've poured about 1 cup of coffee, and we're going to be mixing that with some already pre-made ready to drink protein shake. In this case we have some Worldwide Pure Protein vanilla flavor. So as we mix our protein, we mix about half of the can in here, and there you have it. You have a high protein latte. Mix in a little bit of Splenda or stevia to your taste, but make sure that you don't add any sugar because you don't want to have the insulin spike that'll stop your fat burning. This is a great drink to have before you go to the gym because the caffeine from the coffee is going to help give you energy, help burn some fat, and the protein is going to be able to support your muscle growth even while you're in the gym. Next, you ask, if I'm not a coffee drinker, what have you got? Well, many people in that case, like myself, are tea drinkers. So we're going to show you how to make a green tea latte. And you can use any other kind of tea that you like. But in this case, we have a cup of our green tea here. And you want to brew that to about twice the strength as normal. So for a cup, usually use 1 tea bag. We're going to use 2 because we're going to use the same protein drink here, this ready to drink protein, and it dilutes it as you pour it in. So again, add about half a can of your protein in with your tea, and you've got a high protein, low carb, delicious chai tea. Again, you can sweeten this with Splenda or stevia to your taste, but there you have it. And that's how you make high protein and low carb drinks. I'm Darren McDonald for Total Trainer saying, remember, be good to your metabolism and it'll be good to you. For more information on how to boost your metabolism and to find out your personal body chemistry, please check out our website at www.gototaltrainer.com, and you can find these delicious recipes posted there on our blog as well.